Mykola Oleshchuk, commander of the Ukrainian Air Force, said the record number of drones aimed at Kyiv was a gift from Russia on Kyiv Day, but air defense teams working through the night may have saved hundreds of lives by ensuring only fragments remained on the ground. As the offensive ended, Ukrainian officials were quick to note that Moscow had been targeting the capital since the first days of the war, when they had hoped to quickly seize Kyiv. The intensity of the offensive had ebbed and flowed, with Ukrainian officials saying Russia was constantly trying to adapt its tactics. Military Ukraine has updated its tally of drone strikes launched by Russia early Sunday, saying a massive strike using the Shahed unmanned aerial vehicle consisted of 59 drones, 58 of which were shot down, according to a statement. Explosions reverberated across the Ukrainian capital for hours before dawn on Sunday as air defense teams raced to combat the largest swarm of Russian attack drones to target Kyiv since the war began more than 15 months ago. More than 40 drones were intercepted over the capital, where city officials said at least one person was killed and others injured, possibly by falling debris. As Ukraine draws closer to launching a counter-offensive aimed at regaining ground lost in the first months of the war, Moscow has stepped up its attack on Kyiv. The capital has been attacked 14 times this month by waves of advanced Russian drones, cruise missiles and ballistic missiles. This was the largest ever drone attack on the capital since the start of the full-scale invasion, mainly using the Shahed's loitering munitions, the Kyiv military administration said in a statement.